Hello and salam to everyone. I am Shamsuddin Hassan Shigari from Pakistan. I am here.
So as sir mentioned, I did my undergraduate in psychology in London, and then I stayed there for my master's, which I also did in mental health sciences at King's College. And I've been here since I'm working in healthcare. So my question today is, what, in your opinion, are the causes of a negative perception of Islam in the West? And are there any efforts being made in the West by Muslim and both non-Muslim researchers to change this perception?
I mean, I think the reason is
Okay, so welcome to Pakistan, and it's a pleasure meeting you. My question to you is that so far, actually, if you look at human history, they have been, as humans, we've been expressing ourselves in, like, either poetry or prose or free verse. But when we read Quran, we really don't see it has prose or poetry. At times it appears as poetry, but it's not.